In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to log scale in Tradingview. If you've ever looked at a long-term chart and felt that early price moves were squashed while recent moves looked exaggerated, switching to a logarithmic scale can make patterns and percentage changes much clearer. A log scale spaces prices based on percentage moves rather than absolute dollar moves, which is especially helpful for assets that have multiplied over time. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. You can do this from any modern browser. If you land on a basic view or an embedded chart, that's perfectly fine. We'll expand it in a moment so you get all the controls you need. Next, look to the left side of the interface and select Symbols. This opens the symbol search so you can pick the market you want to analyze: stocks, crypto, indices, or Forex. Type the ticker or name you're interested in and load that instrument. Choosing the symbol first ensures the scale change applies to the chart you actually want to study. Now click Full Chart. This opens the Advanced Chart workspace with the complete toolbar and settings. The full chart view is important because it gives you access to the price scale options we're about to use, along with a larger canvas to see how the scale change affects the price action. With your chart open, hover your mouse over the right side of the chart. This right edge is the price scale area. As you move your cursor there, you'll see the price axis, highlight, and sometimes a small toolbar appear, indicating you're in the correct spot. No need to click yet, just make sure your cursor is within the price scale region, not over the candles or the time axis. Now, right-click with your mouse while you're still on that price scale. This brings up the context menu for scale settings. If you don't see the menu, make sure you're right-clicking directly on the price scale area, not on the chart body. From that menu, click Logarithmic. The chart will instantly re-render using a log scale. You'll notice the numbers on the price axis adjust, and the spacing of candles changes to reflect percentage-based moves more accurately. If you're looking at a long historical chart or an asset with big price ranges, trends and consolidations should now appear more proportional. To switch back to a linear view, repeat the same action and toggle logarithmic off. That's all you need to switch to log scale in Tradingview. Use it when you're comparing percentage growth, analyzing multi-year trends, or studying assets with large price swings. Thanks for watching and happy charting.